Most people think they know how money grows, but the strategies truly wealthy people use are often very different from what you hear in everyday conversations. Today, we're diving into the smartest, most practical ways the wealthy actually grow their money. Whether you're just starting out aiming to build your first nest egg or already advanced in your financial journey, these insights will help you think and act like the world's most successful investors. Let's explore the real systems, mindsets, and strategies that set the wealthy apart and see how you can apply them to your own life, no matter your starting point. First thing that separates the wealthy from everyone else is their mindset about money. They see money as a tool for growth, not just something to spend or save. Wealthy people focus on long-term strategies and are always looking for ways to make their money work for them. This means thinking beyond quick wins and instead building habits and systems that create steady, reliable growth over time. By adopting this mindset, you set yourself up to make smarter decisions and spot opportunities others might miss. One of the most powerful strategies wealthy people use is automation. They set up automatic transfers to investment accounts, retirement funds, and savings, ensuring their money is always working for them. This removes emotion from investing, helps avoid missed opportunities, and keeps wealth building consistent. For example, setting up a monthly automatic investment into a diversified portfolio means you're always buying in, regardless of market ups and downs. Over time, this strategy can lead to significant growth thanks to the power of compounding. Wealthy individuals rarely put all their eggs in one basket. Instead, they use strategic asset allocation, spreading their investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and sometimes alternative investments. This approach reduces risk and increases the potential for steady returns. For example, if stocks are down but real estate is up, your overall portfolio remains balanced. The key is to regularly review and adjust your allocation to match your goals and market conditions. Another smart move wealthy people make is reinvesting their returns. Instead of spending dividends, interest, or profits, they put that money back to work. This accelerates growth through compounding, allowing wealth to build much faster over time. For example, if you receive dividends from stocks, reinvesting them buys more shares, which then generate even more dividends. It's a simple, powerful habit that can make a huge difference in your long-term results. Wealthy people never stop learning about money, markets, and new opportunities. They read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from experts. This commitment to education keeps them ahead of trends and helps them make informed decisions. For instance, learning about new investment vehicles or tax strategies can open up fresh avenues for growth. The more you know, the more confident and strategic you become with your money. Building and leveraging strong networks is another hallmark of wealthy individuals. They connect with other successful people, share ideas, and often find new investment opportunities through their relationships. Networking isn't just about socializing, it's about learning from others' experiences and gaining access to deals or strategies that aren't widely known. By surrounding yourself with people who have a growth mindset, you naturally elevate your own approach to money and investing. Wealthy people understand that all investments carry some risk, but they don't avoid risk, they manage it. This means using strategies like diversification, setting stop losses, and having a clear plan for each investment. They also insure their assets and protect their wealth from unexpected events. By managing risk thoughtfully, they're able to pursue growth without exposing themselves to unnecessary losses. Another key strategy is tax efficiency. Wealthy individuals structure their investments to minimize taxes and maximize after-tax returns. This might include using tax-advantaged accounts, harvesting tax losses, or investing in assets with favorable tax treatment. By keeping more of what they earn, they accelerate their wealth-building efforts. Even small improvements in tax efficiency can add up to significant gains over time. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan is a habit of the wealthy. They don't just set and forget their investments, they monitor progress, reassess goals, and make changes as needed. This systematic approach ensures their strategies stay aligned with their objectives and market conditions. For example, if a certain asset class outperforms, they might rebalance to maintain their desired allocation. Staying proactive keeps their wealth growing efficiently. Wealthy people rarely rely on a single source of income. They build multiple streams, such as investments, businesses, real estate, and royalties, to create financial stability and accelerate growth. This approach not only increases income but also provides a safety net if one stream slows down. For beginners, this might mean starting a side hustle or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Over time, these streams can compound and create lasting wealth. Defining trait of wealthy investors is their long-term perspective. They don't chase quick profits or panic during market downturns. Instead, they stick to their plan, trust the process, and let time work in their favor. This patience allows their investments to recover from short-term volatility and benefit from long-term growth trends. By focusing on the big picture, you can avoid emotional decisions and stay on track toward your financial goal. Wealthy people understand how to use debt as a tool for growth, not just as a liability. They leverage low-interest loans to invest in appreciating assets, like real estate or businesses, while avoiding high-interest consumer debt. This strategic use of debt can amplify returns and accelerate wealth building as long as it's managed responsibly. The key is to borrow for investments that generate income or appreciate in value, not for lifestyle expenses. Seeking professional advice is another common practice among the wealthy. They work with financial advisors, accountants, and legal experts to optimize their strategies and protect their wealth. This doesn't mean you need a full team right away, but consulting with professionals can help you avoid costly mistakes and uncover new opportunities. Even a single meeting with a financial planner can provide valuable insights tailored to your situation. Emotional discipline is crucial for long-term wealth. Wealthy people don't let fear or excitement drive their decisions. They stick to their plan even when markets are volatile or headlines are dramatic. This calm, rational approach helps them avoid costly mistakes and stay focused on their goals. Developing emotional discipline takes practice, but it's one of the most valuable skills for any investor. Any wealthy individuals prioritize giving back, whether through philanthropy, supporting causes, or helping their communities. This isn't just about generosity, it's also about creating a positive legacy and building relationships. Giving back can bring meaning to your financial journey and inspire others to pursue growth with purpose. Even small acts of generosity can have a big impact over time. Let's quickly review the key strategies we've covered. Adopting a growth mindset, automating investments, diversifying assets, reinvesting returns, continuous learning, leveraging networks, managing risk, optimizing for taxes, systematic reviews, building multiple income streams, maintaining a long-term perspective, using debt wisely, seeking professional guidance, practicing emotional discipline, and giving back. Each of these strategies is practical, actionable, and proven by the world's wealthiest individuals. Best part, you don't need to be rich to start applying these strategies. Anyone can automate their savings, diversify investments, or seek out new learning opportunities. The key is to start where you are, use what you have, and build smart habits over time. Consistency is more important than perfection. By making small, steady improvements, you'll set yourself up for lasting financial growth. Imagine where you could be in 5 or 10 years by thinking and acting like the wealthy. These strategies aren't just for the elite, they're for anyone willing to approach money with intention and discipline. As you apply these principles, you'll not only grow your wealth but also gain confidence and freedom in your financial life. The journey starts with a single step, and every smart decision compounds over time. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck or secret formulas, it's about consistent, smart decisions and a willingness to learn and adapt. The strategies we've discussed today are used by the world's most successful people, but they're available to everyone. Start small, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Your financial future is in your hands, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Applying these strategies doesn't require being rich, it's about thinking like the wealthy and making smart decisions consistently. By focusing on growth, strategy, and disciplined action, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve your aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this journey to smarter money management. Here's to your continued growth and success.